Hi there, I'm Wendy, and I'm so excited for your new journey with Usborne Books and More. I wanted to welcome you to the best team there is, Wonder Women and Supermen, and just say we are so excited that you are hitching your wagon to the mission of improving literacy in America through the very best children's books there are. So I know right now you're probably thinking, what do I do? I don't know anything. There's so much information. Actually, don't worry about it. It's your first day. All you have to do is tell people that you've joined and ask for referrals. That's it. So the next video you're going to watch will walk you through actually what to say and what to post, how to share, and then you're done. That's your first day or two on the job, and you get to revel in that excitement and enjoyment for quite some time. But this will help get the ball rolling for your business side, where you are simply asking for referrals. Hey, do you know of any parents, any schools, any organizations that love to give books or love to earn free books? I am in business. So welcome again to Wonder Women and Supermen, and I look forward to guiding you through your journey.